Hello kids, welcome to Kids Vid. Let's learn indoor games. This is Ludo.
This is Ludo.
This is a puzzle.
This is a puzzle.
This is chess.
This is chess.
This is table tennis.
This is table tennis.
This is snakes and ladders.
This is snakes and ladders.
This is dominoes.
This is dominoes.
This is carrom.
This is Carrom.
This is darts.
This is darts.
This is monopoly.
This is monopoly.
This is uno.
This is Uno.
This is a video game.
This is a video game.
This is Jenga.
This is Jenga.
This is Scrabble.
This is Scrabble.
This is Foosball.
This is Foosball.
This is bowling.
This is bowling.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.